Looking to add something special to your family history book? Embellishments are the perfect way to show your personality. Here's a tutorial about how to add embellishments to your book and some inspiration for how to use this feature in your project. First, create a new project or open the project that you'd like to edit. Click on the Edit tab at the bottom of the specific page you'd like to add something to. This will bring you into the full editor with all of the tools on the left-hand side. Choose the Embellishments tab to browse through the 5,000 available embellishments. If you're looking for something specific, use the search function to select from the available categories. Otherwise, just scroll to browse all. Once you've found the embellishment you need, simply click on it to add it to the page. You can resize, crop, rotate, and reposition the embellishment as needed. Search our library of flags to add a flag for a specific country connected to your family tree. Resize and reposition as needed. Add a frame around a photo you'd like to bring to life. Our library has lots of unique options to choose from. Is there something you'd like to call out specifically on your page? Use an arrow to draw attention to something special. As always, select Done in the upper right-hand corner to save your edits.